Good morning, this is Jack from Charting Markets, and this is the pre-market webinar for crypto for the morning of Monday, the 17th of November. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, this is a video for paying subscribers at ccmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at, wrong chart. Hang on. A moment. Okay, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, we had a very significant break at the end of the week because this is the 50-week moving average, and this is the first close below it, and it was not a low conviction close below it, it was a high conviction close below it. It's the first close below it that we've seen since 2023. The last time we broke below it, well, actually, that's the last time, last time we broke below it was in August 2023 for about 6 weeks. So that is a very significant support break, and we got pretty close, 93k, to the range of the double top target, which is 88.3 to 90k, and my feeling is pretty strongly that we're going to reach that. Looking at the daily chart, we've got no current divergence, obviously getting pretty close to that target. And I'm looking at this rising support trend line, which is not far below in about the 85,000 area as a possible target here. That is the main rising support trend line since 2023. Looking at the hourly chart, no current divergence. This wedge that I've been watching here is looking, this could be a bullish underthrow, but honestly, I'm kind of doubtful about that. So I'm not really seeing this as a falling wedge at this stage. I think the main target here is now a test of the 88.3 to 90k area, and I think we may well see a rally today, but I think that's where we're heading. Okay, looking at Solana. On the weekly chart, we had a very weak close. We'd already closed below the, that would be the 50-week moving average. We'd already closed below that and the 100, which I don't tend to watch particularly. And we're opening up, obviously, a test of the 100-week, it's 200-week moving average at 102.36. And the reason that's relevant now is, of course, we've got a head and shoulder target, which is in the 95k area. We've also got, I would note, a double top setup here, which never failed and has a target down in the 45 to 75 area. So that's on the radar, but in the shorter term, what we're really looking for is a retest of this rising support, rising support here in the 95.24 area. It's not rising support, this previous low, and the rising support from that is currently at about the 125 area. Now that area is significant because if we reach that, we will have gone below the right shoulder low here for this still open IHS, which is broken up with a target in the 283 area. At this stage, I'm kind of expecting that to fail, and I think that's probably going to happen within a few days. We will see. That is this IHS here, which has got a target which we never quite made up in the 283 area. And once that breaks, then really that just confirms the target down in the 95 area. So no current positive divergence here. Almost had it, but it went a little too high there on the RSI 5. On the daily chart, on the hourly chart, no current divergence, so we shall see. All right, Ethereum. Ethereum, we've got a nice move down here. We're still testing the key support here. It's not as key support as it was on Bitcoin. If we were to see a break below this, this would be the first one in a few months. So this isn't, this wouldn't be as much of a support break as it would be on the Bitcoin chart, where it's a very major one. Nonetheless, it's significant. If we do see a break below it, then we may head below it for quite a while. We did close very slightly below it, but we're still, it was marginal. So as far as I'm concerned, we are still testing it. Looking at the daily charts, we've got a possible weak RSI 14 buy signal brewing here, which I'm noting, and we have a potential double bottom here. But at the moment, really, I'm leaning fairly strongly towards making the head and shoulder target, and that is this head and shoulders, which has broken down with the target in the 2050 area. I'm liking that target area here. Although Bitcoin's going to obviously reach the target there before, or at least unless these start diverging in a much larger way, it's going to reach it considerably before Ethereum reaches that target. But if Bitcoin gets down to 85, then actually we could have a match there. Either way, I'm looking significantly lower on all three of these. Brian, great. Let's have a quick look at questions, of which we have none, in which case that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning.